Hello. We're up here in Caldwell. Not going to tell you the street or anything else, but this is one of the guys who owns I think he has a repeater here in town, 440. This is just one of his towers there. I'll show you the other tower here in a second. Looks like he's in the gigahertz into the. That's his. That must be his ham shack right there. And I think he had a 440 locked repeater, only for people who have privileges to use it, or whenever he decides people should use it. So, from somewhere up here in Caldwell, Idaho, we're out.